All right, we're here with Mr. Goose Guy, sitting here presiding over his lady friend who is munching away on some, I don't know, stuff. Anyway, so what's going on? How long you guys been together? You seem pretty comfortable. I guess this isn't your first spring together. Do you guys plan on sticking together for the remainder? Yeah, I don't know what that was. I saw it, or I heard it. I don't know what that was. Anyway, the dogs are barking. The ladies are getting pregnant. I guess I'll talk to you later.